la 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 la. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Glowing Angel. This is me, your friend Soumita, back with another video today. Friends, December is all about Christmas and I just love this festival. So in today's video, we are gonna putting together my Christmas tree. I'm really very excited to set up and decor my tree. So let's get started.
Before starting, I wanna say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So friends, these are my Christmas tubs. This year because of pandemic and COVID risk, I didn't go for shopping, so I'm using all the things from my storage. So friends, this is my Christmas tree which is almost 4 feet long and I bought it from Planet Market Kolkata 3 years back and it comes in 2 parts. These are some hanging ornaments like Santa, candy sticks, stars and some Christmas bells and balls. I am gonna decor my tree with all these ornaments. I have this DIY star tree top and snowflake ornament.
These are the base of this Christmas tree.
Now I am detangling and spreading all the branches to make it look fuller. I'm wrapping the Christmas garlands all over my tree to make it look more dense. Now I'm putting on all the ornaments one by one. At last it's time to put on some lights.
So friends, I'm done with my little Christmas setup, you can see, and I just really love the way it turns out, giving me total Christmas vibes. So Merry Christmas to you all, enjoy your holiday. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, then give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.